Hey everybody, this video we got a BMW lock and we're going to pick it with the HU92 twin lifter Lishi and decode it. I've already done it once here to test out my new Dolphin 2 key machine, so I've decoded it and cut a key for it. If you want to see the video of this key being cut, it'll be in the top right corner of the video. And the bidding for this lock is 43332421. Comes back with a valid code of 3980. And so, with most of these Lishi tools, if you have the deepest possible cut in the system, you don't have to pick that position. So number 1 and number 6 are not going to have to be picked here to get this open. So the way that I do the BMW locks with the HU92 is I figure out which side everything's on. We've got odds going one way, even going the other. And then I just go do the odds first, and then the evens, and you normally will get the lock open. Another little tip also is if you feel the lock rotate a little bit when you set a position, increase your tension, because you're going to just do take tension on the heavier side. So figure out here, okay, we're going to have odds going up, so that means evens will be going down. Now, I don't need to pick number 1 because I know that's a 4 cut. And of course, I didn't know that when I first picked it, but if you practice enough, you kind of develop a little bit of a feel for when something's a 4 cut and doesn't need to be picked. Okay, and then 6 we don't need to pick either. And see, I just got a lot of rotation there, so I just increased the tension, and now we've got the lock open. So we can actually decode it now that it's picked. So starting with number 1, it's a 4, 3, 3, 3, 2, 4, 2, and 1. So that's picked and decoded, and you can probably pick it again real quick here. So just leave number 1 alone. Okay, click on 3. Two clicks on 5. 2 on 7. And go check the odds, or the evens, I mean. So I click on 2, 4. I got some rotation. So I've increased my tension. We're just going to leave 6 alone. Go pick 8, and it is open. So that's the HU92 twin lifter Lishi. And if you search the channel, I got a lot of other videos on this Lishi as well. And so, like I said, too, if you want to check out the key being cut, click the link in the top right of the video. And I think that's pretty much all we got for this one, guys. So until next time, we will talk to everybody later.